career exploration tracks. Um, so these are basically different skill sets that people use for career-based things. So cartoon character design, that's related to entertainment design and animation and comic books. So it's something that people will run into in a lot of different fields within the art, is how to design a character and what are the moving steps and parts for it. Creative comic book is telling a story with said characters. And then we have different aspects of fashion design and intro to graphic design, which fits into this category that we just discussed. So cartoon, manga, and character design. So manga is definitely a stylistic thing that goes within it, but the root of character design, number one, is based within figure drawing. So if this is something you're really interested in, you should also be interested in figure drawing, and you should be like attaching that to what you want to do. And it's taking a lot of those skills and using them in creative ways. And there's a lot of different steps in character design. And this introduces a lot of those kind of core concepts of how to approach designing unique individual characters, the stories you want to tell. Creative comic book is a sequential story art. So how do we tell a story? Creative comic book will actually be a really good skill set for anybody who's also interested in animation. You should know how to do storyboards. You should know how to deal with camera angles and how different camera angles express different things. This is a way to get into storytelling without having to make the picture move, but it still is very similar to the prep for animation or storyboards. You will see different framework and stuff. I'm not going to get into that too much, but it's basically how to tell stories with the pictures you're drawing. So with the characters or with the perspective, if you need the environment, some perspective work tied into your creative comic book can help make them that much stronger. So fashion design is going to be tackling different textiles, how to sketch different things for fashion, and how to design different elements. So it's going to be dealing with color, value, tied in with a little bit of figure drawing, and just how to put together different ways of communicating things. So like we even see it here of like the sketch to the prototype and how to communicate those different elements to move forward with fashion design. So we have both two different sections of it. We have costume as well as accessories. So costume, of course, being clothing, different accoutrements of that level, and accessories being probably everything from handbags to jewelry. I would imagine it can go a lot, really broad selection on that category.